Introducing Freedom eGEN Max, an enhanced and advanced version of the popular Freedom eGEN system. Specifically engineered for boondockers, the Freedom eGEN Max offers the ultimate hybrid power solution for any RV for a great off-grid experience. The Freedom eGEN Max integrates with the RV's engine and electrical system, turning any RV into a hybrid unit when parked. The system automatically turns on the engine when the battery needs to be recharged, eliminating the use of a generator. The integrated technology provides seamless heating and cooling from the front factory vents, freeing up air conditioner unit space on the roof for additional renewable power solutions such as solar, which enhances the battery life and sustainability. The Freedom eGEN Max is perfect for RVers going on long adventures, providing safe and convenient power without having to monitor power levels or depend on shore power for the ultimate off-grid experience. Created for the evolutionary customer and the demand for clean, silent power, the Freedom eGEN Max allows RVers to freely explore and relax knowing that the hybrid power solution is operating behind the scenes. The smart choice for power. Choose the future of technology.